The ITM-X General Daily Scalper Indicator strategy for MT4 is a very short-term trading system. This trading strategy works on the 1-minute chart time frame only. Therefore, if you are a medium-term trader or a swing trader, then the ITM-X Gen Daily Scalper Indicator strategy for MT4 is not suitable for you. There is just one indicator that is used in the ITM-X Gen Daily Scalper Indicator strategy for MT4. This is the custom indicator called the ITM-X Gen Indicator. The settings for this indicator is very minimal, and according to the instructions, you do not need to change any settings. The indicator does not work on any time frame, except the 1-minute chart time frame. Once you load the indicator and switch to the 1-minute chart time frame, you will see the indicator at work. There is a bit of information on the left side of the chart. The first part of this shows details on that instrument for which the indicator is loaded. Then, you also get to see the bid and ask prices for the indicator. What follows next is details such as the trading balance, equity, free margin, and so on. The information provided by the ITM-X Gen Scalping Indicator is quite handy, as you can minimize the trading terminal section at the bottom of your screen. This enables you to view the charts with the indicator more clearly. Following the information, the next part is the trading signals. The ITM-X Gen Indicator shows whether you should be long or short. You can simply follow the trading signals that come out from the indicator. The ITM-X Gen Indicator uses some kind of a price band or a price channel indicator. The channel indicators, as you know, plot levels above and below the highs and lows of price. In the case of the ITM-X Gen Indicator, you also see the mid-band. Depending on the price trends, the ITM-X Gen price channel tends to slope up or down, and when the markets are flat, it trades flat as well. This eliminates the need for adding any additional indicators to this trading system. Buy and sell signals are taken based on the information that you see on the price chart. Alternately, you can also identify the up and down arrows that are plotted on the price chart. The indicator tells you to wait for a few up or a few down arrows to be plotted before you can take a long or a short position in the market. Let's now take a look at how you can trade using the ITM-X Gen Daily Scalper Indicator strategy for MT4. ITM-X General Daily Scalper is an indicator professional for trading only at 1-minute time frame. This indicator is suitable for scalping or binary options high, low. The indicator indicates the direction of the trend and the moments to buy or sell. Indicator produced by the ITM Financial 2012 time frame 1-min financial markets. Any with low spreads. Binary options high/low expiry time 6 to 10 candles. You can use this indicator following the directions given, or by defining with other indicators the trend and using only the arrows. Simple trading rules. ITM-X Gen Daily Scalper Indicator trading in the direction of the trend. Buy trend long and buy arrows, sell trend short and sell arrows. Place initial stop loss 6 pips below/above the bands. Profit target predetermined or based by the volatility of the momentum. The ITM-X trading system is a trend reversal Forex strategy. There are several variations of this system, but all are based on the same foundations. ITM-X Gen SINT, bands with arrows, and CC_cloud_2, trend cloud. Characteristics of the system: financial markets, Forex, commodities, indices. Timeframes, 30 minutes and higher. Indicators involved: $_stochastic_cross_alert_sig $CW$CC_cloud_2 additional, optional indicators. ITM-X Gen SINT Cynthia _S_signal_entry_stop. How to trade with ITM-X trading system. You can use this system in two ways: 1. Reversal trading. Open buy position when following conditions are met. The aqua arrow pointing up appears. Place a long order at opening of the next bar. Place stop loss 10 pips below the previous low or setup bar. Exit the trade when opposite arrow appeared and the bar is closed. Open sell position when following conditions are met. The pink arrow pointing down appears. Place a long order at opening of the next bar. Place stop loss 10 pips above the previous low or setup bar. Exit the trade when opposite arrow appeared and the bar has closed. 2. Trend trading. Open buy position when following conditions are met. Price is above the green cloud. The aqua arrow pointing up appears. Place a long order at opening of the next bar.